Ignite your inner topper, 5 steps to conquer the Sigma Challenge. Forget average. You were born for brilliance, and the Sigma Challenge is your launchpad. In just 15 days, you can unlock your potential and claim your place at the top. But the journey won't be easy. It demands fire, focus, and an unwavering belief in yourself. So, are you ready to rise above the ordinary and become the topper you were meant to be? Let's unleash the champion within. Step 1. Spark the flame of passion. What ignites your soul? Find the purpose behind your studies. Is it a dream career, a desire to help others, or the thrill of pushing your limits? Let that passion be your fuel, the reason you burn the midnight oil with joy, not drudgery. Step 2. Sharpen your focus laser. Distractions are inevitable, but don't let them be your downfall. Craft a study schedule that reflects your needs. Silence the noise, tame the temptations, and immerse yourself in the world of knowledge. Remember, laser focus equals laser results. Step 3. Embrace the power of learning. Forget rote memorization. Become an active learner. Ask questions, delve deeper, connect concepts. Make learning a conversation, not a chore. The more you engage, the better you understand, and the stronger your foundation becomes. Step 4. Build your support system. You are not alone in this. Find your study buddies, your mentors, your cheerleaders. Share your struggles, celebrate your victories, and draw strength from their encouragement. Remember, even the mightiest eagles soar higher with a flock by their side. Step 5. Believe in the champion within. Self-doubt is a shadow, but you are the light. Silence the negative whispers with affirmations of your power. Visualize yourself acing that exam, delivering that perfect presentation, becoming the unstoppable topper you are. Remember, belief is the fuel that propels you towards your dreams. The Sigma Challenge is your training ground for greatness. Embrace the grind, the late nights, the early mornings. Remember, every challenge you overcome shapes you into a champion. So, step forward, ignite your passion, focus with laser precision, learn with all your heart, find your support system, and above all, believe in the unstoppable force within you. This is not just a 15-day challenge, it's the beginning of your transformation. Go forth, conquer the Sigma Challenge, and claim your place among the toppers. You've got this.